To fix a Verizon router blinking blue light, follow these steps. First, understand that a blinking blue light on a Verizon router typically indicates that it is trying to establish a connection or is in the process of updating its firmware. If the light is blinking rapidly, it may be a sign of a problem. Start by restarting your router, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the router. Wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reboot the system and may fix the issue. If the problem persists, check your internet connection. Ensure that all cables are securely connected to the correct ports and that your modem is functioning properly. Verify that your account is active and that there are no outages in your area by visiting the Verizon website or contacting their customer support. Next, check for firmware updates. Verizon regularly releases updates to improve the performance and security of their routers. You can check for updates by logging into your router's web interface, usually by typing its IP address into a web browser. The IP address can be found in the router's documentation or on the underside of the device. If you are still experiencing issues, try resetting the router to its factory settings. This will erase all custom settings, so be sure to write down any important information before doing so. You can reset the router by inserting a paper clip into the small reset hole on the back of the device and holding it for 10 seconds. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact Verizon customer support for further assistance. They can help determine if there is a problem with your router or if there are any issues with your service. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Verizon router with a blinking blue light and get your internet connection up and running smoothly.